In this video, I will show you how to verify a deployed smart contract on Etherscan directly from Remix. For this demonstration, we will verify a smart contract on the Sepolia test network. The same procedure can be used for any other network. This is the smart contract we will verify. It's already deployed on the Sepolia testnet. Before going to the next step, make sure that your smart contract is already deployed on a public network, otherwise you won't be able to verify it. Next, we will need to activate the contract verification plugin. Go to the plugin manager by clicking on the icon on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the available plugins for Remix. In the plugin manager, type verification into the search bar. You should see the contract verification plugin appear in the result. Click activate to add it to your plugins. Now the contract verification plugin is active and ready to use. You'll find it in the left sidebar with this icon. Let's open the verification plugin. There are 4 tabs in this plugin: Verify, Receipt, Lookup, and Settings. The plugin can verify with Sourcify, Etherscan, BlockSCAT, and RightScan. Choose the chain of the contract you want to verify. For this tutorial, we're using Sepolia, so select Sepolia from the network options. To verify with Etherscan, you'll need to input your Etherscan API key in the plugin setting tab. For that, create a free account on Etherscan and copy your API key. Next, you'll need to provide some basic details about the contract. Enter the contract address, which you can find in the deployments detail if you did the deployment from Remix. After, choose the contract name that you used in Remix. Next, pick the verification tools you want to use. You can pick one or several. Now you're ready to verify. Just click on Verify. Under the hood, Remix will verify your contract with the verification APIs of the selected services. Next, in the Receipts menu, you will be able to check that the verification was successful. For each verification attempt, you will see an entry. Expand this entry, and if the verification was successful, you will see a check mark here. If it didn't work, make sure that you didn't forget to deploy the smart contract first. Also, make sure that the address and the contract names are correct and try again. Next, you can check the contract page on Etherscan. Click on this icon and it will take you to the contract page of Etherscan. You can see the code of the smart contract, which shows that it was successfully verified. If you scroll up, you will see the read and the write tabs, which allow you to interact with your smart contracts. Back in Remix, go to the Lookup tab, and for this simple example, I'll paste the address of the contract we just verified. The lookup will check the services for the verification status. It gives you the option to open the contract in Remix. Now you know how to verify your smart contract from Remix. That's it for this video.